Hi Sirisha, good morning.
Hi Ravali, good morning.
Thanks for joining the call.
Thank you.
Could you please share your screen
Okay, okay.
and, and open PPT?
Yes.
Walk me through
Okay.
and over to you, Sirisha.
Thank you, Ravali. So, are you visible to the screens, Ravali?
Yes, I am able to see your screen.
Okay, okay. Today, good morning, Ravali. Today, I'm going to explain you about Anaplan 11 to 15 lessons from Anaplan community. So, today, which topics I'm going to cover? Let me explain those topics. So, for today, I'm going to explain what are the style settings applied to the module and what is the model size and what is model history. By using these two, model size and model history, and how can we calculate the size of the model, and what are the actions have been previously performed by the model that we can watch from the model history, and how in which way we can customize the module. And also I'm going to give the introduction about the UX pages, and in which way we are going to provide security for the model. So these are the contents I'm going to explain you today. So generally in this topic, while we are implementing through the workspace, what are the general queries occur in this topic, I'll going to explain. These are the general queries for this topic. The general queries are: what is style settings for a line item, and how to understand the model size by the space consuming, and how to customize views of a module, and what are the dashboards and UX pages, and how we will connect with the end users by both the pages, and in which way we are providing security for the model, and how we are giving access for roles by using selective access. So these are the general queries are occur in this topic. So let me start the topics with the following contents. So the first topic is style settings of a module. So generally it will provide different preset options for the formatting and that appearance of the line item. The style setting provide different preset options for formatting appearance of a line item. Style uses combination of and bold, italic, line spacing and indentation. Actually, this Anaplan offers 7 different types of preset options. They are normal, variations for 3 headings, and variations for the summaries. So, by using this, let me go through the workspace and explain you about the style settings of the module. So these are the workspace, and let me give you presentation on. Just a moment. So these are the three options are having. These are the three options are having the four options: bold, italic, line spacing, and indentation. So let me show you from the workspace. So for this, we have to check. Let me. I'm just searching for the line items. More line items in this. Then from that we can see what are the different line items presentations will be there options. So let me explain you from this module. This module's name is some module for the model. So if we want to see the, if you want to present the different style settings for the module, so for this we have to go for the style settings column. So here, this is the, from this, by using this style setting column, it will gives you the options like normal, heading, heading 2, heading 3, and summary 1, summary 2, summary 3. So let's check in which way, while when we apply heading style for the line item, how it will be presents the view. So by clicking normal, as earlier as possible, we have edited the line item in the format that will be presented by the normal present only. So I have given the normal heading for this line item, and then after heading 1, so heading 1 it provides the like this. So by this heading 1 it will provide the line item by this view, and also I am also changing the heading 2. So if I give the heading 2 means it will provide the by some modifications has been done, and also for the summary, by summary wise it will also gives the some different kind of options is providing in the module. So these are the different options are present in the style settings. Now let me go through the next topic. This is about the style settings of the module. And then model size. What is a how to understand the model size of the module? So by using this model size, it provides an overview of model size and how it will be calculated. So by using this model size, we have to be very careful about sparsity and model size, cell count, model size, and line item size. So by using sparsity, actually what is meant by sparsity? Sparsity is the it refers to cells within the Anaplan that are not populated and are not to expected to be populated. The issue with the sparsity cells is even though we haven't added data to the Anaplan, it provides them to the its memory. So let me show you how the sparsity will be consuming the space from the workspace. So for this data 02, I think. So from this module, I will show you how the sparsity will be. We can get the clear idea about sparsity. See here we have the number for the Nutso bar from the in the month of Jan month. It is having the products around 4053. But after January will not be having any values from the up to November month. So it is consuming the space, providing the cells to the module, but it is not having any products by this duration. But for this Anaplan provides the space for the every month and as well as every day. If we want to present the data day wise, it will also provide the day wise presentation. And for this line item, for this module, I have given the presentation by the month wise, but in the January month only it is providing the some products, but after the January month it is not having any products after June, July, August and everything. So this Anaplan providing the some space for the another months also, but there is no products in the after months. So this is called sparsity. And what about the model size? So now let me explain about the model size. So from the model size is defined by a number of factors included like list sizes, number of cells in the module cells, cell count, total size can be found in the settings tab of the model. So let me show you how the model size can be referred to the from the workspace. So here now from the tab like model information, so it will from this model it is having cell count like up to 2 lakhs 13,000 2 crores for 13 lakhs 466 4,628 cell counts has been noted, and model size is 21.5. And so it has this model has consumed the space about the cell count up to 2 crores cell counts has been consumed. So by individually we can also module wise also we can see the model size. So by this module we can refer how much space has been consumed by the module wise also we can see. So here this cell count for the module 23,868 cells has been used by this module wise, and by individually the line item also it has been consumed 11,900 consumed 11,934. So likewise, we can see the module wise space consuming in the workspace, and also line item wise we can see the space consuming workspace, and also by the model wise also we can see the how space has been consumed by the model size. So this is about the model size, and also I have explained about cell count, and also I have explained about the module size, and also I have explained you about the line item size. So this is all about module size. And now let me explain you about model history. So by using model history, Workspace administrators can roll back to the entire model to an entire time if desired. So, by selecting the history panel provides with the ability to see model changes, and also we can select how far we went to see the changes occur in the model changes. So let me show you from the workspace how the model history will be can be shown. So from the more content pane, we can see the history tab. So from this history tab it will provide last 24 hours of the history, and we can see last 24 hours of history. By this option we can see the last 24 history, and also if we want to see the last 7 days of the history we can see, and also last 30 days of history also we can able to see the history, and all from the starting day of the workspace utilization. We can also by giving the all option we can see the from the starting day of workspace, and also if we want to from the particular date to ending of the particular date, by giving the options, by giving the drop down here we can have the in which time period we want to see the history. So then we can see the history of the workspace history. So this is all about workspace history. Now let me explain you about the other topic like model history. Now customizing views. So by using customizing views, there are 3 reasons to customize the views. They are adjusting the view to focus on works, and make UX displays the relevant to the end user, and loading specific data, and in which way we want to load the usable data for the workspace. So by using this customizing views we can give the permissions to the data as we decide we want to see the data in the UX pages. So there are several options to the customized views. They are saving views, and format drop down, and hide and show all selections, column settings, and saved view for a module. So customizing views, let me show you from the workspace how we will give the customizations of the module. So for that we have to go for the modules again. So for the customizing views we have to go for the module. Volume inputs. So now I just want to give explanation about the customizing views of the module. So here I just want to show the data by by selecting the hide selection and source selection. These are the selections for the customizing view, and show all, select the labels to show, and select the items to show, and the column settings. Let me show you how to give the presentation for this hide selection, and also we'll be having column settings like these are the line items that are presented in the module wise. So with for the module if we enter some number here, then it will be presented by this format number. So likewise, this provides the view of the column settings. So let me show you from the other. So these are the line items we'll be having in this module. So let me show you how the source selection and high selection. So first of all, we have to select the line item, and if we want to show this only show selection, it will provide by using this only line item, it will shows the selection. And also from by giving the show all selection, it will shows you the all line items which we presented in the options. And also hide selection, if we want to hide the selection that the previous line item has been gone. So for the cost of sales, margin percentage, it is presenting the data which we have hide the selections. So reselect items to show. So recently I have removed the revenue. So for this I am adding revenue. So it will, by clicking apply, it will present the line item revenue. So by this manner we can customize the view, and also we can show whatever the options we are having in the format drop down. We can show, hide, and select all the line items to the module size. So saving format drop down, hide show selection, so show all selection, and column settings also have been given the explanation, and saved view for a module. After giving all the customization for the module, so for that we have to save the view for the sake of UX pages presentations. So as a, say, if we done any modifications to the module, for that we have to save as by giving the button save as, and then we have to give some name, and then it will be automatically saved for the sub view of the module. So like this manner we have to save the module after modifications has been done. So by this way we can customize the views of the module. Next, what is conditional formatting? So this is the most perfect conditional formatting for the module. By using this, we can limit the view of the module. So conditional formatting enables us to color code and based on the values in the line items. So this conditional formatting provides following options like new rule, edit rule, color scale, and enable checkbox. So for this conditional formatting, we can this dialog window, let me show you from the workspace. So for this workspace conditional formatting, let me show you from the module wise. Now I just want to so this is the module, and it is providing the unit price and unit cost of the products by product wise. So for this I just want to apply conditional formatting for the module. So for that we have to click on the conditional formatting icon, and then if we want to add conditional formatting, for that we have to click new rule, and by unit price, which line item we have to give the presentation in the conditional formatting, based on the which values we are presenting the based on the which value we are presenting here, and also we have to mention here, and values colors to be added. If we these are the options, and 2 colors code and 3 colors code it will be presenting, and also from minimum level to maximum level it will customize the color code to the line items. So here I am giving from 0 to for the maximum up to 3. So this will provide the color coding, and I also have given the color coding as and white to blue. So I just want to give the presentation for the conditional formatting. So like this. Okay, by clicking OK. So it will present the way from 0 to 1. So let me give the conditional formatting with the other rules. Edit rule. If you want to edit the rule from 0 to 1, it will provide the values. So here you can see the likewise. Let me clarify with the color coding also. Why? Because it is not appearing now. So let me give the next color like white and red. It will shows you the. So by this way, is it visible to you? So by this way we can give the color coding for the line items. So here it will displays the from 0 to 1. I have given the condition like 0 to 1. So for the 1 it will shows the like red values, and it will shows the white values. So by this way we can give the conditional formatting for the line items of a module. So this is the conditional formatting color scale. And also if we want to enable this conditional formatting for the module, by clicking this checkbox it will automatically remove the conditional formatting for the module. So this way we have to give the conditional formatting for the module. And then after conditional formatting, let me explain you about sorting in a module. So this is the other way of the customizing view of the module. So in this sorting will be by this topic, it gives the data to be sorted by different options present in the sort. So this sorting option presents the different options like sort ascending, sort descending, sort. In the sort also will be having different options, and from top level to child level it will sort the data. So let me show you from the workspace how to. Let me show you. Okay, so for this I'm going to using the same module again, the price book by country wise. So if you want to sort the data, for this we have to give the option from the data tab. We have to select the sort option. In this sort option it is having sort ascending option, sort descending option, and sort option. Sort ascending means from the lower level to higher level, and from then sort descending it will display the values from the higher level to lower level. So in the sort option will be having the different options like already explained about ascending and descending. In the levels of it will mainly concentrations on the region wise and summaries wise and details wise, and also the child wise. So these are the top levels and the parent and the child. So for this also we'll be having the different options like group to start, before, after, and group at end. So this big line represents the top level of the line items and product wise, and these two normal middle wise line items represents the parent level, and these are the four, it represents the child level. So for the group at a start, it will shows you how to sort the data by using from the top level to child level. And this before level, this before sort option, it will provides from the top level and parent level, child level, and after again it will starts with the parent level, child level. And also after sorting options it will provide from the starting from the child level to parent level, after then finally it will provide the parent level. So in this group at end, it will provide the child level to finally to the top level. These are the final options are available in this sort option. Actually due to some technical issues, it has to show that some check boxes like OK, cancel, and apply sort. So these three check boxes have been provided, but due to technical problems it is not providing the options. So this way we are applying the sorting options for the module. So these are the different options provided in the sorting. And then sorting in a module. Now what is a standard filters? So filters can be enables you use to limit the view of the data based on the rule we set. To set a filter, we have to follow the steps. First of all, we have to select the sort icon and press the press button, and we have to create a rule selection, and then we have to select the criteria, and also we have to as we decide if we want to add another more standard filter for the module, we can apply, and finally we have to give the OK for the standard filter. So let me show you from the workspace how to apply filter for the module. So for the standard filter, uh, so from the standard filter, let me explain you about from the works module. So from these modules we can have by SKU volumes and employee drivers by year wise. So here I am selecting one module. So from this I am going to profit and loss. So from this I just want to show you how to give the format filters for the module. So for giving filtering option, we have to click the filter option here, and we have to click the plus button. So from here, if we want to add time, if we want to filter the data by time dimension, so we have to apply from the time. Here we have to give the by year wise and years only. So I'm giving OK. It will display you the data by the year wise data. It will present the data year wise only. So if we uncheck the box, it will automatically remove the filtering what we have done before in the filtering. So giving the filtering options to the line module, it will provide the filtering options for the module. So by this way we have to give the filtering for the option module, and then so like this way we have to give the filters for the module. And the next one is, now I'm going to move into the topic like EX pages and dashboards. When building an Anaplan, it is important to keep in mind we have to contact with the end user, and then we have to provide the data in which way we want to that end user want to see the data. So in this way we have to keep in mind in the end user, and then in this by using these UX pages and dashboards, it will mainly concentration on it is important to for us to design the build and experience that works well for end user, not for just for us. And end users view Anaplan through the user experience or UX. Anaplan's UX composed display these screens called pages, which are grouped together into apps by the model builder. Some models may also include classic dashboards embedded within the model itself. So this is about UX pages, and then let me show you what are the different pages is having in the UX pages. In the UX pages we'll be having like UX page with board and worksheet. So this is the board wise UX page example, and this is the worksheet board page and worksheet UX page with the example. So let me show you how to do UX pages in the workspace. So if we want to create a my page UX pages, then we have to go for the models tab, and then we have to select my pages. So So it is showing whatever the major pages have been done before. It is showing all the details of the my pages, and by clicking create a page, we can freshly create another UX page by using this create a page. And also most recent means it will provide the whatever the pages, whatever the pages have been created beforely, and all the pages we have created, and the starting most recent pages it will shows the pages, and by all pages it will shows the all the pages have been modified before itself. So here I just want to show you how to create a page from the module. So first of all I am creating a board page. So in this I have mentioned that we have two types of boards in the UX pages, like board and worksheet. Now I am going to create a board UX page. So for this we have to page name like example UX page, and then workspace. Actually my workspace is talent grade not 3, and from the model level 1 Sireesha, this one. So create a board. So like this way we have to create a, we have to give some board UX page. From this, if we will be having different card types in this workspace UX page. So like text card, grid card, chart card, KPI card, image card, field card, and map card. So what are those cards? So card types, there are card types in the several card types in the UX page. What is a grid card? It will display the data from the source in a table form or as a grid format. So by using grid card we can display the data by the table wise or else in the grid format wise. And also chart card, it offers a wide range of options for visualization of the data. So by using chart card we can visualize the data by our desired view. What is KPI? This KPI displays the content of single cell from the Anaplan model, and usually the values of key performance indicator or metric. So and the other card is text card. By using this text card, it is used to add page titles, instructions, and commentary on a page. So and also we have other cards type like image, and also we are able to add the image for the UX page. Image files must be have a secure URL outside the Anaplan. Image is displayed in the image card by representing the model line item that contains the URL. And field card, it allows the end users to update only specific line items for the module. And also actions card, it allows the end users to launch model actions like example import and export for a module and UX pages. And what is about map? This map card provides visualizations of geographic regions based on the data in a underlying source module. So these are the different card types we'll be having in the UX pages. Let me show you how to create the UX pages from the card. So add a card. From this we have to configure. First of all let me create a grid card. So configure grid. For this we have to select the data source. Like that, from the select source we can select the modules. So here I just want to create a UX page from the Rev01 price book, or otherwise so I just want to create a I just want to create a data SKU volumes for the module. So here I just want to change the view of the module by using pivot. So By using these pivot options in the UX page also, we can modify the view of the module. So the volumes, the products of the line items, I just want to taking into the columns wise. So the line items I just want to display by the rows wise. So see how the module has been, view of the module has been changed. Now I have changed the view of the module, like I have kept the product wise in the rows wise, and I have kept the month display in the column wise. So in the column selectors will be having the locations and the line items and time dimension, and by the rows wise I have edited the module view by the rows wise. So for that, after modifying the module view, we have to update. By giving the update option, it will automatically update the view of the module from the UX page. So like this, we have to add the grid view, and then if we want to configure the text, we can add the title of the this module, and also if we want to tell about some module, it will also provide the description tab and like to a page and body text, and in which way you are going to present the data by using the module wise, we can give the body text also. So here I am giving the title like information and description, displaying the data, by products wise. So like this, and I'm just publishing this page by giving the title, and also by text, if we want to add different styles to the text and alignment of the body text, and which type of color we want to give, then we can also give the color to the text card. So like this way we have to publish. So here I have given the information title like product information. This is the title of the module. So by this way we can add the title of the module, and also by clicking the edit option again, if we want to add another chart, if you want to text card. So if we want to do any modifications for the text card, here itself we have to click the edit button. So if you want to change the color of the title of the, and then see here the color has been changed, and then link to a page. If you want to color some link page here from the net, from the browser, we can also link some page here. And the body text, here from the body text I'm just giving the information like information of products, displaying the products of products. So this is why in this way we can add the UX page by clicking publishing view. So it provides the information like the body text, the title of this module like products information, the text card, and it's also information, gives the information like displays information of the products. So, and again by clicking the edit card, we can also give the chart card to the module. So configure chart. Here we have to select the source from which way we can see. Here we will be having two types of options like customs view and modules view. This modules view gives the what are the modifications have been done by saving the different modules, and also it will provide the that subway of the module. By from the customs view, I am just giving the SKU volumes to the product wise. I'm just updating this information. So this is the chart view. It display by we have a different kind of operation like by extending this, yes, by extending this box, it will provide the clear representation of the chart, and it will provide the information about the charts. So by using this UX pages of the UX pages of this Anaplan, it will provide the information about the products, and also by chart wise it will also provide the information about the products, and also what the description of the UX page also it will provide the information. So by clicking publish, it will present the data by like this manner. So here is the modules of the chart display, and also it will show you the in which time period it has been increased and decreased, like that it will show the from a chart text card. So from the description card it will provide the description of the module. So like this manner we can create the EX page of the module. So these are the different types of the card types. And what is a dashboard? Now let me tell you what is a dashboard. A classic dashboard is a combination of grids and charts published from the module itself. Each dashboard can have the many grid card charts elements as we like, and these elements can be drawn from the different modules. So dashboards can also include images. From the module itself, we can publish the module to the dashboard. So let me show you how the dashboards will create from the Workspace. For this, we have to go for the module again. So for that, I am selecting the model. So from the content pane, we'll be having the more options. From the more options, it will shows the dashboards. So from the dashboards, it will displays the what are the dashboards have been created previously. So it will provide the information about the margin calculation dashboard. So let me show you how the margin these dashboards can be applied. So for this margin calculation dashboard, I have used the modules like two different types of modules. That used modules is giving the information which modules have been published to the module. So let me show you how the dashboard will be appeared. So like this manner, this dashboard will be come. So by giving the edit option to the module to this dashboard, it will provide the editing options for the present available dashboard. So here the will control this is the control panel of the total dashboard. Here we'll be having height and width of the line items, and what are percentage of the line items, words and text, minimum range of the word text, and maximum range of the word text. It will provide the height and width of the module wise, and selection options show module name also. If we want to display the module names, by giving this check box, we can display the module name, revenue and margin, and then G3 locations, disadvice, and what are the pages have been referred here for this dashboard. that will also refers the G3 locations, and also show if you want to show the labels, see these are the page selectors of this module. If you want to show the labels, it will also shows the label and show page selectors. These are the page selectors, and this is the label of the dashboard, and this is the synchronized pages, means, and what are the different modules have been synchronized here. It will shows the different modules. So from this different module, I have added the chart type, and also I have referred two types of modules, and that is, one is month wise volumes of the products, and also the products information of costing, sales, revenues, revenue of the products, and margin percent of the products. So this dashboard is all about revenue and margin of the product wise. So by this manner we can view the dashboard of the module. So these are all the edit end options. If we edited any option here, and it will populate the button like save and exit. At present I didn't make any addition modifications. If I want to remove this page selector, I can, it will ask about confirmation. So I have removed from the page selector. So it will populate the page line, it will populate the button like save and exit, save and publish. So like this manner this dashboard has been edited, and we have added the so many, so, we have added the some two type of modules, and also I have added the line chart of the module. So by this manner we have to edited the dashboards. So, and now I am going to explain how to and how to publish to the dashboard. So let me, first of all we have to select the module, and for this we have to publish to dashboard. For that we have to now I'm going to create a new dashboard like, and then we can give the, so this is the volumes dashboard, this volumes module now. So for that I'm creating volumes information. So the functional areas like so modules and see here I have created the dashboard from the module level. So by clicking the publish to dashboard, it will mainly provides the dashboard by giving the options wise. And also we can add a text to the module like here we can giving the, we are giving the title of the module. Text card, style options, and also we'll be having the style options like we have to give some style. So and also, so like this way we can add the title text card to the module for the dashboard. And also, so this is the, this way we can give the we can have the publish to dashboard to the volumes. So after save and exit, it will provides your dashboard what after all the modifications has been done to the dashboard. So this is the way we have to give the dashboard to the dashboard from the module. So this is all about the dashboard. And now, what is the security of the model? In which way we are providing the security for the model? So we can add single user or import group of users by model. So here we'll be having the so many options like adding users, adding roles, model roles, workspace administrator roles. So these are the several options. By giving the access for the users, and also by providing the security for the model. So here we'll be having this by using this picture representation. I can explain what are the roles are created for a group of people with who will use the model in the similar way. So by in the roles version we'll be having for an organization we'll be having finance manager, stock users, and production planners. For like that, different types of roles will be having in the organizations. So by giving the roles to the model, by selecting the roles to the model, we can provide the security also to the model. So let me show you from the workspace how to give the roles to the model. So here we'll be having the tab like users. From the users, it will also provides the some users like different 3 users, and also these are the workspace administrators, and this is Sireesha Jadda is having the full access of a whole model as a model builder. So if we want to add user, and then we have to click add user. Here we have to give the email address for a particular user, and also we have to mention the first name, and also we have to mention the last name, and also by using the which role you want to access to the role, and then we have to also add this role to the particular user. So like this manner we can add the role to the we can add a user to the model. And now, and how to add roles to the model. So here full access will be having insert the other full so here we'll be having the option like roles option. In this roles option, by clicking insert view, we can add the like finance manager will so here we can add the role as a finance for the finance manager will be providing the role to the model. So like this manner we can add users, and also we can add the roles like full access, and different types of roles we can give the add the users. So this is all about the model roles. And then what is a selective access? Selective access used to control access to the list, more specifically list members. These Anaplan permissions are controlled by selective access. It enables to model builders to grant read or write permissions to the list and list members within the model on the individual users basis. So by this manner we can give the permissions to the users by using selective access. So for that, if we want to so from the general list, it will directly give the selective access for the users. So here it is having options column like selective access options. If we want to give the access for the list label, and if we click the list label G1 region, and it will gives the information like if we select the selective access for G2 country, that only G1 region will provide the information from the UX pages labels and the module wise labels, and wherever the list has been used in the modules, so that information will be accessed by the selective access, and the remaining will not be allowed. And if we and the region wise and the product family wise, and also if we want to see the employees wise. So by this manner we have to assign the selective access for the user, and then they are available to view the data and read access and write access by the options in the given for selective access. it will be present the different options of selective access for the user. So like this manner, we have to view the data to the give the access to the users. So this is all about the selective access. And now conclusion. Now in this topic, I have concluded with the topics of what are the different style settings of the module, and how to determine the model size of the module and model also, and in which way we can see the history of the model creation, and also what are the customizations have been created to the module, and what are the different types of EX pages, and what are the dashboards. And also I have explained you about in which way we can give the security for the module. So this is all about the today's topic. Thank you, Ravali.
Thank you,
Yes.
Sirisha.
Thank you, Ravali.